All right, here's the deal. Vegetables have been going missing from the garden. So we need a gate to keep Brooke out.
What? It's for the bunnies.
To keep Brooke out. So,
Yes.
will you get the...
What are we doing?
We get the skill saw?
Yeah, but like, what are we doing?
We're making a garden gate.
I got that part. Can
They
you...
already know that. We just did the intro. All right, guys, we're making a garden gate in case you didn't get that in the intro. We have our pressure-treated 2x4s. And a pressure-treated 1x6. Let's make it into a garden gate.
It didn't work. We have to do tools, I think.
All right, the old-fashioned way. Let's go.
I don't actually know what we're making. Like, I have no concept for the vision.
Okay, right now we're literally just cutting a couple boards. Can we just do that?
I just need to know where we're heading.
We're heading to the place where these boards are cut.
No! Okay, yeah, we do need that. But, like, what's it gonna look like? What's the concept?
I cut my wood!
Ah!
I need a square.
Oh, I can do that.
Watch this. That's what we call a combination. Square! Craftsmanship. One, two, there's two. 44. What? One, two, one. 21.
What are you talking about?
Same numbers.
Let me just get some safety glasses on.
What do you need those for?
I get so
Safety police! Oh yeah.
We're allowed to put that in, right?
One, two. 1, 2.
I don't know what we're talking about.
We're counting boards.
That's
You
3,
said you
4,
want
but
the
then...
1, 2, the different types.
Okay,
yeah.
1, 2, and then done.
No. 1, 2.
1, 2,
2.
2, 22. Did I do it right?
Yeah! Right. You can count.
What are we doing next?
We're using the bandsaw, that's why we're clearing it out.
Oh, okay.
We're going over to the bandsaw. I'm setting up my dust collection. I'm gonna do it. Okay, I did it. That was so hard, guys.
Well,
You broke it.
No, that was you.
No, I was over
I was
here.
over
You
here.
literally just kicked it out of the thing.
No, I did not.
Oh.
You didn't put a hose clamp on it.
Why would I?
Because it needs one.
It doesn't need one if you don't kick it.
Well, I didn't kick it.
and break it.
Alright, so can you just explain what we're doing here?
We're making a gate. I've said it before. I'm gonna say it again. We are making a gate. All right. Good talk.
I'm not confused about it being a gate. I just like what? And then we're just gonna like put them on, right? Like that?
I'm digging it.
It's very artsy.
Fartsy, fartsy.
Like that, right?
Ew. I'm liking it.
All right. Can we at least just cut it so it sits flat?
No.
What?
Move.
What are we doing now? We're making
A gate. The next thing that we're doing is making a gate.
Ooh, that makes sense. This is what I was asking for the whole time.
You were asking for a piece of wood like that?
No, I was asking just for you to explain that that's what we were doing next.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, let's cut it.
Woo!
The same way that we cut all of the others, we're gonna run it through this really big saw. It might get stuck, but then it might not. I did it! We got this! I got this! I'm stuck!
Need help?
I thought you've been helping this whole time.
Well,
Aren't we doing this project together?
I'm in! I'm in!
Freeing!
Alright, so
I feel free.
now can I guess what we're doing next?
We're making
Now
a gate.
we're so we're gonna cut it there and there, right?
Yeah, boy.
Okay. I think we need
A gate.
oh my gosh.
Hinges.
No, not yet. We don't need hinges yet.
What do we need?
A ruler.
Why would we need a ruler?
Or just a straight edge.
Why do we need that? We're just gonna eyeball it.
Okay, let's do it!
It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. This is what we call
Flipping a gate.
A gate that we hate. Getting a concept here, okay? Do you think we can do that maybe?
I've been asking for
Am I allowed
concepts this
to
whole
take a
time.
second to make a concept now that we're at the point where we need to conceptualize it?
Let's conceptualize together.
I was literally just cutting some wood before.
That's literally what woodworking is.
And now I
The
need
whole
to
way
make it
through.
into a gate. So just give me a second while I figure out what that gate is gonna look like.
That's
okay?
what I was asking.
You were asking before it was time to know. That's what you get when you film a movie at 2 a.m.
It's 2 a.m.
Okay, can you push that all together, please? You're not participating in the push
I don't know what we're doing.
We're literally just pushing it together. Like push it together, like we're balancing the bottoms.
Okay, the bottoms. Got it. Okay.
Yeah, there you go. That was amazing, dear. You
I just wrecked it.
just wrecked it. After all the work of pushing it.
You're my biggest,
Oh my
Do you know?
God.
you're my biggest hater.
I'm not a hater, I'm a lover. Are you ready, Freddy?
Yeah, what are we doing?
I'm trying to
We're
make
making.
a gate. Now move your leg. You just moved it all again. Okay, hold it just like that.
Okay.
I gotta go get some screws! Whew. Who knew that Ace was open so late? Ace, the helpful place. Alright, we need to have a quick little heart-to-heart. Brooke thinks that you got lost in the last segment, but we all know that you know that all we did was push the boards together And now we're gonna screw this piece into this piece, and 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 this piece to make a gate. Wow. Have you ever seen a screw screwed so good? Oh no!
Did you wreck it?
Yes.
Oh, you split it. You should have done.
Oh shit, man.
You should have done a pilot hole.
Oh no.
You should have just done pilot holes.
No, I don't need to.
No pre-drilling. Well, that was a lie. Start again.
I got a defect box, people!
Ah!
Ace, not the helpful place.
No.
When you're not sponsored, you can say stuff like that. Hashtag would not recommend.
You're not.
From Home Depot worked. I cracked this one, so we're gonna swap it with the spacer. And now this will become the board that we're screwing to it, and this time we'll just pre-drill it so we don't split this one too.
So, we are going to put a shape of some sort at the top of the gate. So as we're positioning this second brace piece, we're just gonna put it down low enough that we have room to work with.
Cool!
Yeah.
Do you understand the words the people sing? Do ya?
I do.
Do you know? That's the voice of revolution!
Oh my god, shut up.
I've been watching too much news.
That is the voice. Ah!
Push, push, push.
I got you.
Don't let go.
Got it.
This is the most important part of this entire process. If this screw is off, nothing will work. And we won't know till the last minute. I nailed it.
Is this the second most important screw of the whole project?
These set of 3, man.
Okay.
And because of the job that you chose to have, it's your fault if it messes up.
Guess what? It looks perfect.
Screw.
Beep. I'm pushing, man. This is some nice craftsmanship.
Yeah, it's awesome.
At the same time, I kind of can't figure out why it's taken us this long.
Now here, this is the last of the important screws. Put them in there. Okay, get them all driven down. Slightly countersunk and not split.
Oh. Okay, are you just giving this to me so that if it splits, you can blame me?
No.
Yeah, I think so.
It's because this is a joint project and I've done all the work so far.
You kind of have, but it's
I'm trying to share the
was made
glory
the camera.
of this gate with you.
What? No! Impeccable craftsmanship right here. Look it.
Did you break it?
No, why would I break it?
Oh, you made it sound like you did because you're in there going, oh shit, oh no.
Oh, that's just,
Oh no.
I was just saying that for dramatic effect.
Oh, was it dramatic?
I mean, it seems to have worked on you. It just goes diagonal. This isn't like complicated. This is a really easy project.
And here we are making a really easy project.
Okay,
so,
just do it. Just freaking just
easy.
cut it. Just draw a line.
Gonna cut
Just draw a line.
so
Just
good. That's not how you do it. You're gonna mess it up. Oh my god. Oh. Gotta use the straight edge, man.
We had this discussion.
Why do we need that? We're just gonna eyeball it. To the cutting machine. Real talk from a real man. If an old sports injury, I injured my hemi.
Your hemi?
It's a car thing. I don't really know what it is.
What does this have to do with anything?
Nothing. Let's go. It fits!
We went to sleep. We're back.
We're doing a one-day build.
This is a one-day build. I'm in a different outfit though. It's very obviously not a one-day build. The very last step of this is going to be to finish this top edge off, so I'm going to sketch a curve and then cut it with a jigsaw. Gate. We made a gate. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Also, go check out our virtual makerspace at makersworkshop.com. If you join the virtual makerspace, you can have access to all of our digital files that we design and use here. There weren't any for this particular video, but we do a lot of them in other videos. I think that's it. I'll see you next time.